Hey guys, it's Mike at Narks Elliptic Customs. Today we're picking up metal for the Narks cart. We are here at Superior Steel in Joplin, Missouri. Came all the way up here. Wheeler Metal doesn't, their tube sizing is just a little different than what our die is. So we are gonna come up here and try this stuff. I got about 5 sticks of 24-foot 1 5/8" OD tubing. And the best part is the pricing is great. It's $1.05 a foot, and so it's 25 bucks a stick. All right guys, it's home. 24 feet each stick, 1 5/8". So 120 total feet of tubing for the roll cage. That gives you an idea of how long this trailer is. All right guys, since we got the tubing outside, I'm going to start by removing this tonight. To remove that, I'm going to remove the seats and start cutting down here on the bottom. And Steven's over there working on cleaning stuff up for now. I'm sure he'll be over here cutting on some of this stuff later tonight. And then I'm going to start figuring out what I want to do with all this stuff. So let's get to work. Oh shit. Look at that. Let's see if it... Dude, it's not bad. Yeah, like... Settle down. Dude, like... The dash is about right here. That ain't too bad. I'll wheel this thing in there. All right guys, got the seatbelt off. I think it's time to start cutting. Cut some shit. God dang,
No.
dude.
Now fold it back the other way. You just run the angle. We're running the grinder sideways. Nope. Go from this way.
Like this?
Nope. Yeah, like that right there. It really looks like you only got hit. I wonder why you. There's.
Y'all, these things are way heavier than what I thought. Dang.
How much do you weigh?
Almost 20 pounds a piece.
Dang.
I hope this comes through looking as cool as it does in person. All right, guys, so I've pulled these wires out and we're gonna basically trim them up and lay them back down in here so it's nice and kind of tucked. Obviously we don't need them anymore because we don't have a power seat, and we don't have anything to come up on the pillar for the overhead light or anything like that. Stephen had a great idea. We're gonna use a window squirter, or window squirter to haze the back tires. And what's cool is we're gonna use the defrost button to do it so it can stay on continuous as long as we want to. And that's this power here. So we can just basically reroute it into here somewhere, put our container in our pump, and do burnouts. All right, guys, Stephen had a good idea to see what this module is right here. Turns out it's an airbag module. Well, being that we've got one that's blown anyways, boop, boop, we're gonna go ahead and unplug it. We've made sure the car will start without it being plugged in. So I can pull these wires across and cut them down and actually get rid of this entire harness piece right here. So, yee-hoo! All right, guys, got all the wires out here. Tucked them back underneath this panel here. Underneath the panel. And put the cover back in here so people don't grab it with their feet when they step in. And gonna start on that side over there. All right, guys, so the plan is we just had the seat in here, and we're gonna mount the front plate to this, and then I'm gonna go in and cut this part out here so we can get the back kind of figured out here so it'll lay even across there, and we'll weld all that stuff in, and we'll have our first seat mounted. All right, guys, that's how the seat is gonna mount. We'll get the seat mounted on here and get it positioned how we want it. And then I'll clean this part up down here and weld it. And then I'm gonna build a plate that will cover, or a connector that'll cover this piece. As you can see, it's there's a gap there. And I'll weld it to the floor here on both sides. And that way we're a little safer that way. And the seat's all level and sits right. All right, guys, brackets are mounted, bolts are here and in, and we're fixing to bolt it down. Alright, guys, maiden seat with it being bolted down. Maiden seat. Oh, dude, that's perfect. There it goes. Oh, it's bumped. You guys did it. Oh. How about that? Give y'all a look at that. Back seat's not mounted, obviously. Front seat is, but that's gonna look so awesome. All right, guys, that's it. Steve and I got this one mounted. Like I said, we're gonna work on the others tomorrow night or Friday night. What's today? Wednesday?
Yeah.
Yeah. Whew. Well, hey, if you haven't been following along, we are building this car to give away to an Instagram follower, I guess, but you need to follow us on YouTube to keep up with the videos so you'll know when we're getting close to our count. Yeah. So, subscribe to the channel to keep up with everything that's coming, because Narcs Kart isn't the only thing we're working on. And then follow us on Instagram to be entered in the drawing. I'll have the rules down below. What else? Facebook, TikTok, and the podcast.
And the podcast, yep.
Damn, we do a bunch of stuff for you guys. Hey, I want to say thanks for keeping up with us.
Yep.
Everybody listening, everybody watching. So, all right.
Thanks, guys.
We're done. Bye.